feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Hiccups are often triggered by eating too quickly, consuming hot or spicy foods, emotional stress, or drinking carbonated beverages. To stop them, try holding your breath for 10 seconds, drinking a glass of cold water quickly, or eating a spoonful of sugar. Gently pulling on your tongue or breathing into a paper bag can also help by increasing the carbon dioxide level in your blood, which might stop the hiccups.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.